Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent the We Love Grandma gift in exchange for my honest review. This is the perfect gift for Mother's Day for Grandma, and I wanted to show you how well it comes packed. So as you can see, it comes with bubble wrap and it's taped nice and neat so it arrives in perfect condition. Customizable gifts are always a great gift. And so as you can see, it says We Love Grandma and it's got the wood cutouts. And this gift can be personalized with either one name up to 16. My grandmother has 5 grandkids. And so this has all of the names on there. We've got Candida, Dustin, Nikita, Raymond, and Tana. And so this is going to be a special gift that when she sees it, she's gonna think of us. Please note the attention to detail here, how it's got the tree, everything's cut out. This is simply beautiful. And it comes with a stand so it can be displayed. And as you notice, it's got a cord here because it lights up. So as you can see here, I can put it on the stand. I can hide the cord behind it if we don't want to plug it in for light. And this looks beautiful as it is. But I've got to show you how it looks when we plug it in. So I have it plugged in, and right here is going to be the switch. I can push the button and you can see it turns on. Look at those colors. Isn't that beautiful? I can change the color from red to blue to green to purple, turquoise, yellow, white. And so I can go back through the colors here. I love this one that kind of changes the color. I think it really brings it to life. When it comes to gift giving, I do love things that are personalized. I think it just makes it very special. This is something that can be proudly on display. And if we don't want the light, then we can just simply pick a color. We can turn it off. I love the fact that it has options and that it's going to bring a smile to her face with all of the colors. Overall, this is definitely a heartfelt gift that I can feel good about giving and seeing the smile that it brings. So I hope you found the review helpful.